welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a review of this Blue Heaven Ka full face makeup kit. It retails for rupees basically 499, that is 500 rupees. So this is how it looks like. When you open this, I have already opened this. So when you open this, you will get the 6 products along with this cute little sponge, which is so squishy. I have jammed it because I'm going to use it now. So this is how it looks like. Next we have Blue Heaven Ka all-in-one makeup stick in the shade vanilla. Next we have Blue Heaven Ka Pale Glow compact powder, and then you will get a blush which is shimmer matte blush in the shade diamond blush on. Next you will get a lipstick, Blue Heaven Ka bullet lipstick in the shade cherry cheer. So last you will get this product. This is eyeliner or kajal, and you will also get a sharpener with it to sharpen it. So let's see how this color is. Wow, this is super black. इफ़ यू आर ए बिगनर दिस एंड आज मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ जो ब्लू हेवन का मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स मेरे पास है वो भी मैं इस्तेमाल करूँगी. वो है ब्लू हेवन का प्राइमर. दिस रिटेल्स अराउंड 300 रुपीज़ एंड परफेक्ट फॉर बिगिनर्स, एंड दिस इज ए सिलिकॉन प्रेस्ड. And then for eyeshadow, and again I have Blue Heaven Ka eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. This retails for around 150 or 100 like that. You will get all. So first I have taken my skincare by using a toner and a moisturizer. Now I'm going to use this Blue Heaven Ka primer. Second, I'm going to use this foundation only. So this is how the foundation stick looks like, but this is not my shade at all. So this is super white. Can you see that? It is too white for my skin. So I'm just going to use it. I'm taking a concealer brush and just taking the foundation stick as concealer. I think this foundation also making me look ashy all over my eyes. So yeah, let's wait. So next I'm going to use the compact powder which came with this, and the shade vanilla. So
I'm also using the compact all over my face by using the powder brush.
So this is how the blush looks like. I'm taking this purple color shade over my lid.
So here I am using the kajal pencil which came from this kit. So it's really nice. It's not that really great. It's not smudge proof at all. So be careful with that. This mascara also I have bought this. I didn't get in this kit. So yeah, I'm using it because it is a Blue Heaven brand. So it will become a one brand makeup look too. So yeah. Now it's time for lipstick. I'm using the lipstick which came in this kit. It is in the shade Cherry Cheer.
So let's talking about the kit. So basically you will get total 6 different products in this kit. You will get a foundation stick which is too light in shade, which is not suitable for every Indian skin tone, and also you will get a compact powder and a blush and lipstick and kajal, and with sharpener and a blending sponge. The blending sponge was really nice, and you can buy it outside of the store, not online too. So basically the pros are the sponge is good, the kit is perfect for, I don't say it's perfect for beginners, because
The pros are the sponge is nice and the lipstick color is good, but the cons are it doesn't worth the price at all. And every product has a lot of fragrance in it, so be careful while buying it because fragrances can cause reactions on your skin. So yeah,
any eyeshadow or anything like that in the kit, so don't buy it. I won't suggest to buy it. So yeah, the pros, I don't think there are any pros in it. I don't think this kit worth any money. So because it's for 500, you can invest on something better and you will get good quality products in that range. So don't hurry to buy it, so let it be. So that was the review from myself. So that's what I feel for this makeup kit. So yeah, that's it guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also let me know what the other videos you would like to see. I know so many of you are waiting for my vanity tour, so yeah, I will try to shoot it. So that's all for today guys. Hope you like this video and hope it is helpful, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And thank you so much for watching guys. So yeah, let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.